Maftoul or Moghrabieh is a soupy chickpea stew with caramelized pearl onions served with roast chicken over couscous, the ultimate comfort food, my mom's specialty. To make the stock, add chicken to a large pot. Add onions, pierced with some cloves, and then add some cinnamon sticks, a few cardamom pods, a carrot for flavor, and some bay leaves. Cover with water and then bring to a boil, skimming off the foam, and cook for about 30 minutes. To make the stew, chop onions into a fine dice, then add olive oil and a little bit of butter to a large pot. Sauté the onions until wilted and starting to caramelize, then season with salt, cinnamon, caraway, and a little bit of black pepper. Cook for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, remove the chicken and place on a baking tray, and season with a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of caraway, and cinnamon on both sides. Drizzle with olive oil, then squeeze a lemon on top. Bake in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes until golden brown. Cook down the stock for 30 more minutes, then add to the cooked onions. Season with the same spices, starting with pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, some caraway, and salt. And then add the cooked chickpeas and a little bit of the liquid, the aquafaba. Cook for 20 minutes or so. To caramelize the pearl onions, add to a pot, season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and add some water. Cover with wax paper and cook on medium-low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Uncover, season with pepper, cinnamon, caraway, and a little bit of salt. Then turn over and add some water if the pan is too dry. To cook the couscous, add butter to oil over medium-high heat, then add the couscous and stir. Season with the same spices, salt, cinnamon, caraway, and black pepper. Stir until coated, until you hear a sizzle, and then add the chicken stock. Turn the heat to medium-low, cover and cook for about 20 minutes. Once the chicken has roasted, it's time to assemble. Add some couscous to a serving bowl, and then top with generous amounts of onion and chickpea stew. Add a few pearl onions and your choice of chicken, and top with more sauce. Your maftoul is now ready. You'll absolutely love this dish, and it tastes even better the next day. Enjoy!